Hi guys, we are here with our new video on MCQs of ion exchange resins. We have already seen video related to it and now we will assess ourselves that how much we have understood in our video. Do like, share and subscribe our channel SRIP Edu Pharma. We have seen that many of the people they are just watching our videos but they are not subscribing our videos. We just request everybody do like, share and subscribe our channel as it is motivating for us and we feel like very happy of making many more videos and uploading them in the channel. Now come on, we will be starting our video. Question number 1 is ion exchange resins are A. Water insoluble, B. Water soluble, C. Both, D. None. So what is the answer? Answer is water insoluble. So here we must know that ion exchange resins are hydrophobic in nature or water insoluble in nature. But when they make ion exchange resonates or resonates, then those matrices are water soluble or hydrophilic. Question number 2 is cation exchange resins exchange which ions? A positive, B negative, C both, D none. Here answer is A positive. Positive means cations. So in cation exchange resins, in the outer portion there are positive ions which get exchanged with the positive ion of the drug. Question number 3 is sulfonic acid resins are A weak cation exchange resins, B strong cation exchange resins, C weak anion exchange resins and D is strong anion exchange resins. Here we had studied in our video that the ion exchange resins are classified into 4 types. And out of this, sulfonic acid resins was example of strong cation exchange resins. And in weak cation example was carboxylic acid resins. So your answer will be B, that is strong cation exchange resins. Fourth question is example of weak anion exchanger is A. Sulfonic acid resins, B. Carboxylic acid resins, C. Quaternary amine resins and D. Tertiary amine resins. So you remember the types in that sulfonic acid resin was example of strong cationic. Carboxylic acid was weak cationic. Then quaternary amine resins was strong anionic resins and tertiary amine resins were weak anion exchanger resins. So your answer is D. Question number 5 is the drugs suitable for drug resin complex which should have biological half-life A less than 1 hour, B between 2 to 6 hours, more than 8 hours or more than 10 hours. Answer will be between 2 to 6 hours. Less than 2 hours or more than 6 hours is difficult to prepare. So the answer will be B. Question number 6. Ion exchange resin drug matrices are A hydrophilic, B hydrophobic, C both, D none. Here we had seen that ion exchange resins were hydrophobic or water insoluble, but when they make drug matrices, that is ion exchange resin drug matrices are hydrophilic in nature. Question 7. Following polymer can be used with ion exchange resins. A. Ethyl cellulose, B. Cellulose acetate phthalate, C. HPMC, D. All of the above. So you remember we had studied various types of polymers. In that the examples were acrylics, then ethyl cellulose, then CAP, HPMC and various ethyl cellulose derivatives and gelatin derivatives. So your answer will be all of the above, that is D. Ion exchange resin complex of azithromycin is made for A. Better disintegration, B. Taste masking, C. Bioavailability enhancement and D. None. Here for azithromycin we had studied that the complex is made for the purpose of taste masking and in this The example was Indion 214, which is used as the resin which complexes with the azithromycin. So your answer is taste masking. Question number 9. Indion 204 is used for taste masking of which drug? A. Norfloxacin, B. Ofloxacin, C. Both, or D. Azithromycin. Here answer is both, because for norfloxacin and ofloxacin Indion 204 is used, but for azithromycin Indion 214 is used. So answer is C. Ion exchange resonate is crystalline, amorphous, both, or none. We know that when the ion exchange resins form a complex with drug, then they are called ion exchange resinates. And these resinates are amorphous in nature, so the solubility is also improved. And the answer for here, the option will be B, amorphous. Next question is, cations are formed by A, loss of electrons, B, gain of electrons, C, neutral, D, none. So here the answer will be, first we will be remembering what is cation. So cation is positive ion. Now how it will be positive? We know that in neutral atoms the positive and negative charges are equal. So if there is loss of electron, then the positive charge will be more. So it will be forming cation. So your answer will be loss of electron. Question number 12. Limitations of resinates is that the release rate is affected by A, concentration of the ions, B, variability in diet, C, water intake, and D is all of the above. So here the answer is all of the above, because the resinates are directly affected by all these three parameters. So dear friends, we have completed our video. Do write in the comment section you scored how many marks, and if there is any type of problem you can write us in comment section. Thanks for watching. Stay connected, watch our videos, and do like, share and subscribe the channel SRIP Edu Pharma, and press bell icon for the new videos notifications. Thank you so much.